Okay, guys, I'm outside of the Cheesecake Factory, and I'll be trying out their one of their menus.
Over there. Oh, I. Well, I mean,
They just have a dining one. Okay.
Okay. Someone will be with us in just a few minutes, okay?
Huh?
Someone will be with us in just a moment, okay?
Okay, thank you.
That's how it is.
Okay, guys, I've got some orange hot tea. This is orange spice. Okay, guys, before the food is arriving, you're trying out their hot tea. It's pretty good.
do you need Parmesan cheese on that?
Just put them on the side, I guess.
Yeah. Is that enough? Or a little
Oh, yeah, very good enough. Yeah.
A little more?
Oh, that's good.
Good? Okay. Enjoy. I'll be back to check on you, okay?
Thank you. Okay, guys, the pasta looked pretty good. Pasta, chicken. I'm not sure what's these on top though, the green stuff. I'll put some cheese on the side. There are cheeses on top. Okay, guys, the pasta does look really good. The colors.
How is it? Good?
Yeah. The tomato sauce does taste sweet. There's a little bit sweet taste to it. Okay, guys, I am trying to get into the flavor. Okay, guys, I'm trying to see how the taste is. The noodles and the sauce goes up pretty good together. With the texture of the noodles and the tomato sauce. Okay, guys. It does taste light and fresh, like it says like on the menu. The grilled chicken has like a little bit of strange taste to it. It does have it probably has like a little bit of lemon flavor to it. With a little bit of have some spices in there. Okay, guys, I'm gonna give this one probably 3 out of 5 or 4 out of 5. I'm giving this one a 3 out of 5 because I feel like the taste doesn't, like, I don't know, like the spaghetti, it is a little bit sweet, and the grilled chicken has like this little bit of a strange flavor to it. It has like this probably like the lemon flavor in there, probably like a teeny tiny. Okay, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, guys, this is located in Columbus, Ohio. Okay, guys, there'll be more information down below this video. Okay, guys, if you guys like this video, like and subscribe for more of my videos. Okay, guys, this is Trader Squest. Okay, see ya.